U.S. government has issued a community announcement for Nevada, effective until September 21, 2019. All roads, transport and trails to the Alien Highway will be closed until the 21st of September. If you're found walking or driving in closed roads, you'll be detained and questioned immediately. If you're not cooperating with U.S. Armed Forces, you'll be detained or shot. All residents near Alien Highway are advised to evacuate. After midnight, every houses will be searched by the Army. U.S. government, thank you for your cooperation.